Today topic in social learning topic the third is it. Yesterday we are talking about India divided into 6 physical divisions. First one Himalaya mountains, second one Indo-Gangetic plains, third one Peninsula Plateau, fourth one third is it. Now today we are talking third is it. Where is the third desert? Third desert located. Third desert is also called Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. That is located where? Third desert located leeward side of Aravalli Mountains. Third desert located leeward side of Aravalli Mountains. What is meaning of leeward? Means port side, downside. For example, this is the Aravalli Mountains, leeward side here, like that. This is the third desert. Third desert. Third desert, total cover with sand, small pebbles, some rocks, etc. Here heavy temperature is there. There is no heavy temperature, there is no any vegetation, means trees. Only some plants are growing here. And also, third is at annual rainfall. Annual rainfall very less, 100 mm to 150 mm. Mm means millimeters. 100 to 150 millimeters. Third is it having received a very less rains. Annual rainfall 100 to 150 millimeter per annum. So that's why there is no any water places. But in desert, some water ponds are there. The water ponds are called oases. Here sometimes sudden rainfall happen. The only rainfall time, some streams are small streams, small rivers are moving. That is a very less time. Only one river is moving in third desert, that is called Luni River. Only one river moving in third desert, only rain time, that is the Luni River. For example, Egypt. Egypt is a African continent country. There is no river Nile, there is no Egypt country. That's why Nile River is the most important river for Egypt people. The river is moving across the desert. World largest river, Sahara Desert, that is in Africa. This is in India, small river is moving, that is called Luni. Only rainy time. Third desert have a arid climate. What is meaning of arid? A-R-I-D, climate. Arid climate. Arid means there is no any water vapor. There is no any humidity. What is meaning of humidity? A amount of water vapor present in atmosphere. That is known as humidity. So here there is no any water vapor. There is no water. Heavy temperature is there. Sometimes rain drops not reach the ground. Middle of the day, the rain drops are evaporated. So arid climate is there. In India, arid climate area zones are there. Semi-arid climate zones are there. More rainfall area is there. Less medium rainfall zones also there. Here arid climate. Third is that have a arid climate is zones. The most important in exam, small this is a one more half mark question or one more question in exam. Third is it having dash type of climate. Third is it having arid climate. Remember that. And also total desert area covered with sand. There no any cultivation. There no any vegetation. Some few plants are growing there. They have no any leaves. So here recently our Indian government provide the water last parts of the desert. Last part of the desert through the one canal. The canal known as Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in India. Indira Gandhi Canal, longest canal in India. Total distance Indira Gandhi Canal 650 kilometers. Once again I repeat the same question. Where Indira Gandhi Canal, longest canal in India, total distance 650 kilometers. Through this canal, some last parts of the deserts supply the water. Using Indira Gandhi Canal water, some desert soils brought into the under cultivation. Once again, using the Indira Gandhi Canal water, some lost part of the deserts, some hectares of the land change into the agricultural land. Means using the agriculture, doing the agriculture, different crops also they are cultivated in same land. So total climate has heavy temperature, arid climate, less rainfall. Third is it located leeward side of the Aravalli mountains in western part of Rajasthan. Western part of Rajasthan. So third desert is also called Great Indian Desert. Total land covered with sand, covered with some pebbles, small stones, etc. Yearly rainfall 100 to 150 millimeters. Yesterday in previous class we have discussed about Himalaya mountains. That is one of the physical division in India. So Indo-Gangetic plains given to three parts: western part, central part, eastern part. Western part deposited by Indus River and Indus River tributaries. Central part deposited by Ganga between Gagar to Teesta. Eastern part deposited by Brahmaputra. Indo-Gangetic plains also called northern plains, and Indo-Gangetic central part is called Ganga plains. This is another topic. This is a third desert located in Rajasthan, leeward side of the Aravalli mountains. Aravalli mountains are oldest mountains. Oldest mountains in the world. What is the youngest mountains? Himalaya mountains. Here Aravalli mountains. So third desert located leeward side of the Aravalli mountains, western part of the Rajasthan. Here heavy temperature is there. Very critical climate is also there. Annual rainfall of third desert 100 to 150 millimeters. Here arid climate is there. Sometimes sudden rains also happen. That time some streams, some small rivers are moving. One river is moving across the third desert, that is called Luni, only that is in rainy season. And as well as rainy season, some water is moving. And as well as total land is a empty land, heavy temperature, population density is also very less. Few people are living at near oasis. Oasis means, which is called oasis? Oasis means in third is it water ponds. Where is the in third is it having some water ponds is there. Small water tanks are there. The water ponds is called oasis. Near oasis, some doing the agriculture, some people are settled there. In also desert area, some fruits also product. That is the date fruits. In Telugu, Kajura. And here is also very rainfall, less vegetation places, less population density. But recently our Indian government provided the water to last parts of the Aravali, last part of the God is it. Now so many several hectares land brought into the means change into the cultivation. They are doing the different crops using the Indira Gandhi Canal water. Indira Gandhi Canal total distance 650 kilometers. Total distance of Indira Gandhi Canal 650 kilometers. And also longest canal in India, that is the Indira Gandhi Canal, total distance 650 kilometers. Using this water, now present so many hectares of third is it doing the agriculture. Some farmers are product different crops. Today, more people are very less population density in third is it. Yesterday I am already told, world highest population density places are only that is the plains area, and very less population density deserts and mountains area. Why? Because very less population density this type of the places. There are no any job opportunities, agriculture, industries, etc. That's why people are very few people are living in a desert area. There because there are no any cultivation, there is no drinking water, there is no any transport system. That's why deserts are very low population density areas in the world. Different deserts are there in the world. In India, third desert in Rajasthan, western part of the Rajasthan. In third desert is also called Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. Remember that. In world, very longest desert in Africa, Sahara. Another desert is there in Africa, Kalahari. In some continent, Atacama. Some different deserts are also there. So every country, continent having one desert is there. Here is also India in Asian continent, India Asian continents, in Rajasthan western part, leeward side of the Aravalli, one desert is there, Thor desert. So Thor desert is one of the physical division of India.